Sarah, the pain is getting worse.
Amelia, it's not surprising. Based sa results ng imaging test mo, nasa advanced stage na ang bone cancer mo. That has weakened your hips. That's why. I suggest, pag-usapan na natin ang mga treatment options na pwede mong gawin.
So hindi ko na to matatago sa pamilya ko? Walang dapat makaalam nito, lalo na ang pamilya ko. Can you be more specific? Kasi sabi mo advanced stage.
I'm sorry, stage 3.
How much time have I got left?
Stage 3 is serious, but it's not untreatable. Maraming treatment options. Chemotherapy, targeted treatment, pain management.
Salamat. Pwede ko pa rin asikasuhin ang mga dapat kong asikasuhin.